Hello. We're going to talk about the ability to check the database to see if a username is available to the person registering to your website. If that username is available, you let the person who's registered to your website know so they can choose another name. This avoids the user hitting the submit button and only after they hit submit button having the server let you know, hey, this username is available already, and you have to go back, or you have to redo the whole form again, or whatever. This is a very good option to avoid those kinds of situations. For example, if I put in the word Kelly, Kelly is already in the database, and it's not available. So when you hit check availability, Kelly is not available. If you were to hit Kelly 8 and you do the same, Kelly is available, and now your user is able to use this username to finish the registration process here. We're going to use jQuery, makes an AJAX call to a PHP script, and we're going to use just HTML with ID selectors. So this jQuery can select the areas where this information can be displayed. So first thing, we have created a database here called AJAX with a table called users, and the field name is called username with 35 characters there. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is let's create a file called I. Well, actually, let's call it register, right? .php. Okay. In here, we are going to grab that there. Let's create a very simple form here. And let's call it, let's insert that in there. This is the simple HTML here we're going to use with the ID selectors that jQuery is going to use to run the call with PHP. All right. Everything seems perfect. Okay, cool. Now let's save this file. Now let's look at register. There you go. Okay. So now we can see we have the box here to check the availability. It's not working obviously as we haven't entered the rest of the stuff. All right. The next step here. Let's grab the jQuery code we're going to use. And let's insert that. Okay. Right, like so. We also have to have jQuery called from here. So let's go find. We have to go jQuery. We have to download jQuery library. Copy that. Let's make we're going to call this just JS. Okay. Right, let's create a new file called J down here dot JS. Okay. And we're going to insert the jQuery library there. It's there. Now. All right. One second here. Go. So now that's been written. Let's exit out of here. And now, when we open register.php, this j.js jQuery library works now. So jQuery can use it. All right. So now we have to create the file. Okay, so if you notice, jQuery calls an external PHP file, which is right here. This is going to be called check username.php. So now we have to create check underscore username.php. And so let's save that. Let's quit this, and let's create a new file called what was it called again? I know you could probably see it now, but I can't see it. Check username.php. Okay, cool. So it's check underscore username.php. Okay, right, username. And in here, we are going to put the PHP that's going to actually do the call to the database. Right? Go. Oops, before we do that. Oh. Right. We obviously have to put database connection information. I'm going to put here localhost, username is root, username is root. Okay. Database name is called Ajax. Ajax. All right. And we have to make sure that the correct table is being called. Okay. Select username from users where username is equal to username. Okay, perfect. So this looks great. So this is saved now. Let's exit. And let's open again the register.php. And that's all. So now, cross your fingers here. Okay, finally, let's test and see if this works properly. Let's enter the word duck. Duck is not available. And the reason why it's not available is because in the database we made an entry for the word duck, which is working properly. Let's try the word bird. Bird is available because there is no entry in the database for the word bird, so this is working properly. So that's it. This is a very simple script, or a series of scripts that allows you to let your user be able to know if that name is available or not before they hit the submit button. If you need any assistance with this, or you want to shoot me an email, please visit my website at www.evinw.com. Thank you. Bye.